Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform any kind of analysis using Stata, even though you have zero knowledge of it. First, open the Stata. Okay. Then I will upload my data file, import Excel spreadsheet. My data is in the format of Excel spreadsheet, so I will select this option, browse. Here's my data file. I will select this option, import first row as variable names, because you can see in my file, my first row represent my variable names. And I will not preserve it. I will select lower because it makes it easier for me to understand the variable names. Look, what does this mean? If you select preserve, it will keep the variable names as it is. But I selected lowercase, so it will convert this uppercase y into lowercase y like this. So I'm uploading it, selecting this option. Okay. Now my file has been imported. Now I will go to any, you can use any generative AI. I'm using Gemini here. First, I will upload my file. Then I will tell it like I am going to perform. Suppose I'm running a regression analysis here. Perform a regression analysis. You will also need to use any relevant test to check the validity of my analysis. By writing this, you are asking Gemini to give you any kind of relevant analysis that you don't even know about. Like regression comes with many other analysis like VIF test. Uh, there are many others. So let me not confuse you. Uh, Gemini will do it for R. Now you will have to define your variables because your teacher or you might have variables predefined. Like I want to run this on these variables. Dependent variables will be these. My independent variable will be these. Control variable will be this. If you don't know what your variables will be, you can also ask this to Gemini, like select dependent, independent variables for me. It will do that. Then I have given him basic instruction, variable names. Now I will tell him to give stata code. Give me stata code to run my regression analysis. You can ask him to give the complete code at once or step by step. I will ask a complete code so that I don't have to copy and paste, keep copying and pasting many times. I will do it at once. So let us wait. Look, it has given us complete codes with explanations, like what codes are doing what. I will just, it has completed giving codes. I've copied it and now I will just paste it here. Mm, look, here in this Stata, it is showing that we have not imported our data. Is it? Here it has been imported. I'll just remove it. Maybe it is open twice. So we have imported our Excel file. Now I will paste our codes here. Now press enter. Look, you might have many errors. So I did not delete the errors first because I'm showing you how you can also fix your errors while doing this. Like the first errors are variable not found. What does it mean? It means the Stata could not found a variable named operating underscore CF. Why? Because if you go to our data editor or browser anywhere, I'm going to data browse. Look, none of our data has underscores, but Gemini put underscores between our data. So you will have to instruct him this. Uh, I do not have any underscore between words in my variables, and all my variables were uploaded in lowercase. You remember I selected lowercase. So give me the variables accordingly. Okay, Gemini has got it. Okay, running it again. Enter. Look, it is not giving any red lines now. Okay, there is still one, and it says command xtscc is unrecognized. Command xtc unrecognized and xt serial is unrecognized. So this command, this is not the fault of Gemini. It is the fault of my Stata because it is an old version and it does not have this command. So if you are running a Stata, an updated Stata, you will not have this problem. So what I can do now, I can take a screenshot of these errors and give it to Gemini and say my codes, rather these codes are showing this error. What should I do? Give me different code that replace this and do the same work or task. Or you can say fix this codes and give me new code that does not give this error, whatever. Wait. Okay, it is telling us to install this. As I have already told you, mine is not updated. It cannot install this. So if you have an updated setup, you can do this. Just copy it and paste it there. Then you will run the same code again and there will be no errors. But that's not applicable in my case. So I will tell it directly. I cannot install this. Give me a code that does not use XT serial and what was that? XTCSD. TCSD. I will also tell you how to uh, store the output you are getting from Stata. Determine variables. Okay. Now copy and paste it again. One red line again. Sample may not include multiple panels. Okay, it's not an error actually. It is just a warning. Sample may not include an error. So even though this is not anything serious, I will again try to fix it. Red line, what is it? With Stata, it only takes time in this uh, trial and error process. Otherwise, it does not take long. Stata, a red line in your result window is an error message. Okay, it is not reading my picture, so I will copy and paste it because Gemini sometimes give these errors. It cannot read what you're giving it in the picture format. Sometimes, not always. It is giving this error. To fix this, you will have to open a new chat, but that will be time consuming. So I'm just pasting the errors here. Sample, then pinpointing culprit. Normally, researchers use this exe serial to test panel, but since you cannot install packages, we hit a roadblock. That solution, okay, it has given a solution. Let us try it. Look, what I'm doing here, I do not even understand. I did not read what it gave. I've just copied and pasted here. Look, now this is a result without any red line. So what to do now? We will just clear the data, open it again, upload the file as we did before, import, lowercase, upload, and paste the new code here. Look, it is our output. Click on print, results, just print it, click print and save it anywhere in the computer. And you can also save it in other formats like go to file, export, or print, save as. Look, its format is DTA. Also, if you want to create a log file, log means what you are record of what you're doing in Stata. You can start a log file here, log begin. Save it here. And now what you will be doing will be saved in the log file. So you can also do that. So this is it for Stata. I showed you how to run regression, but you can use any other analysis, any other types of analysis. In the process is same. You will have errors. You will take a screenshot and give it to AI and tell him to fix it and give you the new code. It will give you the new code. That's it.